Welcome. In this video I will show you how to record a screen with sound on Samsung Galaxy A57. To start a screen recording, you simply have to swipe down the control center. Then, let's expand the list of tiles and find the screen recorder. Tap on it, then adjust the recording settings so you can either record partial screen or full screen. Then you can select the audio to record, so we can choose no audio, media, or media and microphone. And if you want to, you can also show taps and touches when you're recording. When you're ready, just tap start recording, wait until the countdown is finished, and then do what you intended to. We can pause the screen recording at any moment by tapping pause, then resume by tapping this red circle. And if you want to stop your recording, of course, you have to tap this white square. The recording will be saved and we'll be able to find it in our gallery right here in recent folder. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.